Hello, Jijil.
Hello, Amrita.
Okay, so today I have a very interesting geometry question. All right. So as you can see in the diagram, there is a triangle PQR. Okay, and it is right angled at Q. Right.
Okay.
So
Right.
let me mark this. This is right angled at Q. Oh, also, it has a perimeter of 60. Okay, so what do you understand by perimeter?
Sum of all the sides.
Exactly, sum of all the sides. So, what are the sides? PQ plus
PR.
QR plus PR is equal to 60. This is the sum of all the three sides. Okay, now
Correct.
line segment QS is perpendicular to PR. So, this is perpendicular to PR and has a length of 12. Okay. Also, it is given that PQ is greater than QR. Okay. So,
Okay.
you have to find the ratio of the area of triangles PQS. So, this is PQS, this triangle, to the area of triangle SRQ. Okay, so you have to find the ratio of area of triangle PQS to the ratio of the triangle QSR. Okay, so this is the ratio you have to find out. So even before we proceed, Chichal, what do you think? How would we
Yeah,
calculate this area of PQS?
I think they are somehow manipulating the idea sum of two triangles area will be equal to the bigger area. And because all of them are 90 degrees, all the three of them are 90 degree. I'm just thinking some of the two sums will be
So, yeah, right. So, why don't we just simplify this question? Okay, we know the area of triangle. What is the formula? Half base into height.
correct.
Right. So, can you tell me what will be the area of triangle PQS? So, of course,
PQ
half
will be half
and base is going to be
PS
PS, because
multiplied
this
by
is perpendicular here. So, this will be height. 12 is height and base is PS, right? Okay.
half PS multiplied by
12.
QS.
Right. And this, for triangle QSR, it is going to be half, and now base is SR, and then
Multiplied.
yeah,
12 is
12 is the height. Okay, so we can actually get rid of half and 12 there. So you see, essentially what we are looking at, we are looking at the ratio of PS
PS
to
by
SR. So
RS.
if you can somehow get this ratio of PS and SR, then you're done. This is what it is asked in the question. All right. So let's see how we can manipulate the given information and can actually find this. Okay. So let me call this ABC, because that way it will be easier for us. This A, this is B, and this entire PR is C. Okay, so that way it will be easier for us to solve.
Sure.
Okay. So
Sure.
right. So we are given A plus B plus C is equal to 60. That's the first thing. Another
A
thing
square
is,
is equal to C square.
exactly. So since it is a right angle triangle, I can also write it as A square plus B square is equal to C square, isn't it? Now,
There is one thing. There is one more thing we can write it as.
right.
Amrita,
Yes.
I
What
think.
is that?
That is, if I consider PR as base
Mm-hmm.
and height will be QS.
Very good. Very nice. Excellent. So you see, area of triangle, there are two ways of calculating it. Area of triangle PQR. Okay, so there are two ways of calculating it. One way is you can also either write it as half A into B. Your height becomes A and base becomes B. Okay. Or you can write as you suggested. Now your height becomes QS, which is 12. And your base
Multiplied
becomes
C.
C, PR, right? So that was really good conclusion. So half gets cancelled out. So basically you can see AB is equal to 12C. Okay. Let me call this is equation 1 and this is equation 2 and let's say this is equation 3. See how we can manipulate this. So any idea how I can apply all this information and actually arrive at the ratio that I'm looking for?
Based on my gut feeling, Amrita, a square plus b square almost looks like a plus b whole square with the 2ab missing.
That's really good. So why don't we do this then? Right? A plus b whole square. Let's expand it. So what do you get? A square plus b square plus 2ab. I really like that idea, right? Now, why don't we substitute everything in terms of c? Can we do that? Of course. See, a square plus b square from equation 2, you can write it as c square.
C square, yeah.
Plus, now if you look at equation 3, can you write AB as 12C?
12C.
No, right? 2 into, yeah. So that will be 2 into 12C, which is 24C. Okay. How about A plus B square?
A plus B.
Look at the equation 1. What can you write A plus B as?
60 minus C.
Exactly. Isn't it cool? 60. Yeah. See, you knew this. Now you're sure to arrive at the answer, right? So it's always better to write all the equation here. Let's expand. So what do you get? You get 3600 plus C square minus 120C is equal to C square plus 24C. Okay.
Right.
Now from here you can get rid of the C square there. Okay. And if you simplify, just a minute. 144. Yeah. 120 plus 144.
144C is
3600.
Yeah.
Right. So from here, if you simplify, you'll get the value of C, and value of C will be 25. Okay. You can easily simplify this one. It shouldn't take much time if you are little better at calculation. Okay. So now C is 25. So how do we get the rest of the values A and B?
We can substitute in the last equation.
Exactly. So you have equations already at the place. You can simply substitute. So if you look at equation 3, in equation 3, your AB is equal to 12C, which is 12 into 25 or 300. Similarly, if you look at equation 1, your A plus B plus C, so A plus B and your C is 25 is equal to 60. So from here you get A plus B is equal to 35, right? Now their sum is 35 and product is 300. So the two possible values are 15 and 20.
Correct.
15 and 20, right? So now you know, but you are given that PQ is greater, that is A is greater than B. You're given in the question, right? So we can say A is 20 and B is 15. Okay. So let me write it down over here. So your A is going to be 20. Yeah. A is equal to 20 and your B is equal to 15. Now, what do we do? This is not the question, but the question is you have to find out the ratio. So I think from here you can now calculate PS and SR because you know PQS and QSR both are right angle triangle. So this is your 20. This is 15 here. So if you know the little Pythagorean triplets, right? So if you have 12, you have 20.
25.
See, this is this angle is, this is 90-degree angle. So this is going to be hypotenuse 20. So it has to be less than 20, right? So this is basically
the whole thing being 25.
Yeah. So 400 minus 144 is 256. 256 is 16. Okay.
Right.
It is going to be 16. If you just simplify, it will be 345. See. Right. Now
the other will be.
This is 15. This is going to be hypotenuse. This is 12. So this is 224. Right. So 224. This is going to be Is it 225 minus 144? Yeah. So 81, which is going to be 9. So again, this is 9, 12. Again, if you simplify it, it will be of the same ratio, 3 is to 4 is to 5. Okay. So now you have the ratio. So PS and QR are going to be here. It is equal to 16 by 9, and that's your option 4.
Oh, that's an interesting question.
Okay. I hope you understood. Everything is clear, Jijil?
I did. Thank you.
Thank you.